Windows 11 now lets you write anywhere you can type. If you have a Surface or Windows tablet with a stylus, then this Windows Ink update is very much for you. Microsoft is starting to roll out new changes to Windows Ink that let you write anywhere you can type in Windows 11. After months of previewing the changes, the handwriting to text conversion now works inside search boxes and other elements of Windows 11 where you'd normally type your input. Microsoft has started rolling out the KB50314555 non-security update as a preview to Windows 11 users yesterday. You simply have to head to Windows Update and toggle the Get the Latest Updates as soon as they're available setting to get this update before it's available fully in the coming weeks. If you have a Surface device with a stylus or any other Windows tablet that supports Windows Ink, then you'll immediately see this new feature if you head into Settings and start to write into a search box or in other text edit fields in Windows 11. Microsoft is only enabling this for US English right now, with support for additional languages coming soon. Microsoft has also improved the handwriting recognition technology so it's more accurate in this update, and there are gestures to delete, select, join, and split words. There's even a gesture to split your text into a new line. This update also includes a number of Windows 11 bug fixes, with a memory leak in ktmin.exe fixed, improvements to the new dynamic lighting feature, and more.